Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Product Reviewer 24/7, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Saitek Cyborg V3 Keyboard. And it's a great keyboard. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it only lights up to one color and you can't really change that. And it was around $60 when I bought it, and I did buy it about a year, maybe sooner, and a year ago, and it does light up and it is red, so that's cool. And it's really nice because the keys don't wear out, and see, they all work perfectly fine still. And I've used this for a lot of stuff, like a lot of video games and everything. And it has this. It was just on there. It's like a wrist, like when you're typing and stuff and you're using your keyboard, you put your wrist on it so it doesn't get hurt, like it doesn't start hurting. And you can extend it if you have bigger wrists or longer hands. And there are the buttons that light up. There's a num lock, caps lock, and scroll lock. Let's see, scroll lock, num lock, and caps lock. And overall, it's a great keyboard. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. The only thing I would change is like offer it in more colors, or just be able to change the colors on it. Like, I would like to change it to blue, or maybe green, or maybe even purple. That'd be cool. And yeah, it's a great keyboard. It's worth the money. It's definitely a lot cheaper now, maybe around $40. But you should definitely get it if you want a nice keyboard that lights up. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and more videos to come, and giveaways. So thanks.